Hey guys, I have a head wrap tutorial for you guys today. You guys have been asking me for months now to put a head wrap tutorial or head wrap video up, and I'm just gonna get right into it. I do not know how to professionally do head wraps. I just put it on how I feel like it should look. Um, First, I put my hair in a bun. For the girls who are bald, please, bald girlies, please, if you want to do a head wrap, I would usually put a piece of hair or a scarf right here to imitate or mimic a bun or a ponytail. That's what I used to do when my hair wasn't this long. Please do not judge my ponytail. If you see me looking on the side, I'm looking at the mirror just in case I look extra crazy. Okay, so I put my hair in a ponytail like this, and then I just take my scarf and then wrap it or tie it around my ponytail. Okay, so I just tuck it in. I try not to care about what the unders look like too much, like if it's sticking out, because it will not be seen. And then I take another one, and for as far as head wraps and where I get my scarves from, I get them anywhere from Zara to fabric stores like Joann's and any like random any place that has scarves. That's where I pick them up. So yeah, I have this orange one that I layer on top of it. And I make sure that each side is even or equal to the other side. And then I tie it. And then I tie it like this. Then I take this yellow one, right? The same thing, guys. There's nothing, this is not rocket science. Okay, maybe it is rocket science. Okay, you can either tie it in the back. And honestly, guys, just mess around with the head wraps. It's really just trial and error. That's why I held out for so long in posting a head wrap video, because I'm really playing around here. This is not anything that's too deep. And I try to make it, see, make sure when you guys buy head wraps, make sure you get head wraps that are not, because I had bought head wraps from a fabric store, they're not like, I like head wraps that are kind of thin and like, I like them longer than I like them wider, if that makes sense. My head wraps are long and wide, so it takes me a while to kind of stick them in certain places. Yeah. So we have this one, and then you just fix it. You just tuck it in, push it back, and that's it. There's this one, and you could just go out like this. You can do whatever. Then if you want to go Erica Badu route, you can add one more and just slap it on your head. And like I said before, with my head wraps, it can be a little bit difficult to put it on my head because of how thick, not, well, it's thick, but also it's like wide. Like if you guys can see, this is a really big, this is a sheet, this is a blanket. You know what I mean? So make sure you guys are buying head wraps that are longer than they are wide. Like I said, we are doing this together. This is, and I try to make sure that it's smooth so it doesn't look too bulky. You get what I'm saying? So I tie it in the back like so, and then I kind of tuck it in. Tuck it in. And then, like, you see what I mean? Like, mine is so thick. Like, I would prefer it to be like, just like this hanging. So I need to find better scarves that would, you know, help a sister out a little bit. So yeah, I would tuck it in here, and then I would kind of just roll, and then I would push it in. And I try to make the head wrap as smooth as possible. Sorry, I keep looking in this mirror to make sure I do not look like who did it and why. So yeah, you can do like a nice cute side part with this one. And yeah, I feel like this is cute. I would go outside like this. I'm over here like but yeah, I feel like this is cute. And that's all that I have for you guys today. I'm not a head wrap connoisseur. This is it. And yeah, that was my head wrap video. Thanks for watching, guys.